We had some interesting developments in the EURUSD over the last day or so, and I wanted to provide an update on that as it's an interesting pattern we're witnessing. So, a few days ago, we said a break here to 111 could lift us to the upside. We also said that a break to 112 would trigger this large ascending triangle pattern that would take us to 122. Since then, the price have stalled, which makes sense because the price always needs to take a bit of a break. And we were trading in this triangle pattern. And what we saw here is quite interesting. Usually, you don't want to go against the trend. And here you can see that we did breach the triangle to the downside. It did go a little bit lower, but then it failed rather quickly. And what I was looking for back then, and you can go back to my video, is for a break to the upside. That's my preference, break to the upside or buying down here. Now we didn't go low enough. Now what's interesting today is that this market has now morphed into an inverse head and shoulders. We get that by pretty much just drawing these lines like that, and we could treat this like a head, right, left shoulder, and then a break to this point here will take us to the upside. So that's one variation of this, which is definitely something we want to keep an eye on. Now, if you don't want to be too close to the price action, maybe one could wait for a break to this level here, which is 114.29. I think the key many times is that if you see this pushing to the upside, ideally as well, you see GBP/USD as well trying to break higher levels. Alternatively, you can look at dollar Swiss franc. When you have a breakout is confirmed into other highly correlated assets, then it strengthens the probability of success. We also have another one here that maybe some of you would have spotted, and that would be something like this, where we're dealing with some sort of a flag, and then you would look at the flagpole, which is this bit here, and then you actually extrapolate that and add it like that. So you have two of these different patterns here, three if you combine it with this one up here. And what we're looking for here again is a break here for this to push to the upside.